welcome back to a brand new video. So today at Airtec Motorsport, we're going to be installing our brand new product, Stage 2 Plus Intercooler, to our MK7 Fiesta ST180. So what we're going to need to do to install this modification, take off the front bumper, take off the existing intercooler, and then we can add on our brand new intercooler. So let's get started by taking off the front bumper. Okay, so here we have our brand new Stage 2 Plus intercooler for our MK7 Fiesta ST180. Now, this is the perfect direct replacement for the stock intercooler. There's no cutting, no drilling required. On the rear, you'll see there's pins mounted on the custom brackets that will fit directly into your stock crash bar. Like I said, you don't have to change anything. It's going to give you a lot better cooling. It's going to very much benefit the drivability of the car, keeping temps lower and a much better driving experience. So like I said, this is quite a very simple, easy modification to do. All you have to do now is grab the rest of the fixing kit that comes with it, and we can get this on the car. Now that we've added our silicon ends, we can actually start installing this to our Fiesta ST. So what we're going to do is hang it, like I said, off the crash bar on the back, and then we're going to add on our elbows to connect to our silicons each end, and then it'll be done. So it's very simple and easy, this one. All you need to do is take off your Jubilee clips, undo the bumper, and you're pretty much there. So let's get it on. Now that the intercooler is actually on, we need to connect it all up. So with this intercooler, it actually comes with this elbow as well, and you get a few extra Jubilee clips. So what we're going to be doing is adding this to the silicon that's come with the intercooler, and then this will also connect to our hoses on the car. These can connect to stock ones as well. So we're just going to throw them on now, and then you're pretty much done. And here you have it. Our front bumper is back on the car, and you can see our intercooler shining through the front. It looks great, and not only does it look great, it's going to perform so much better than that stock one for the car, keeping them temps a lot lower, better drivability out of the car. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check these out on the website and everything else we have to offer. Please leave a like, subscribe to stay tuned for more content from us. Check us out on Facebook, and as always, keep Airtec.